Alright, good afternoon mga ka-tech vlog. Latest update tayo mula sa ating DepEd Philippines. Lumabas na po ang ating DepEd Memorandum number 17 series of 2025 at ito po ang ating interim guidelines for DepEd's Performance Management Evaluation System o tinatawag na nating PMES for teachers in SY 2024-2025. So resume na po yung ating RPMS for teachers this school year. Ito po yung highlights ng ating memo number 1. Nawala na po yung ating organized physical portfolio. Therefore, hindi na po kailangan mag-submit ng portfolio at the end of the school year. Although encouraged pa rin po tayo na magkaroon ng sarili nating repository of course ng ating mga teaching learning materials and documents. And then, of course, no portfolio for performance assessment shall be collected. So, yung MOV na available sa atin as soon as available, yun na po ang immediately re-rate ng ating rater based doon sa rubrics in the RPMS tools. Di na po kailangang hintayin pa ang year-end natin para magkaroon ng assessment. Kaya on the spot, kung available yung MOVs natin, magkakaroon na tayo ng kaagad-agad rating or assessment for our RPMS. And then, number of required classroom observations natin, kasi nga nasa 4th quarter na tayo ngayon, it's either 1 or 2 observations for the 4th quarter. Paano po yung 1 or 2 for proficient teachers? 1 to 3, there are 8 COIs or Classroom Observable Indicators. Kaya if isa lang ang maisasagawang observation, dapat lahat ng 8 na yan ay i-rate natin. Pero kapag kayang makagawa ng 2 observations, ay 5 indicators will be rated per observation, with 2 COIs being rated twice. Kung ano yung mga indicators na yan, ay tingnan natin doon sa ating COT. So yan po ay nasa DepEd memo natin for illustration. Check natin yung memo na nakapublish. For highly proficient teachers naman, there are 4 COIs. Kaya if only 1 observation, all 4 COIs will be rated. If dalawang observations naman, 3 indicators will be rated. 2 COIs being rated twice. Refer tayo sa memo for the illustration. Doon naman sa NCOI natin, meron tayong 6 for proficient teachers and 10 for highly proficient. Only 1 MOB lang po ang required per indicator. And in some cases, yung MOB na yan may cut across other indicators, kaya possible po na 1 MOB will cut across many indicators. Isang MOB lang po for this school year. Yan po ay nasa DepEd memo natin. So tingnan natin ang DepEd memo natin for possible MOBs. That's the DM number 17 series of 2025. Yan po ang updates natin for the RPMS resumption SY 2024-2025. Thank you so much for watching and see you around.